we lived in the times of artificial stupidity. Yeah. Most of the interaction we had with computers was, oh, computer says no, but for no reason, or you don't know why the computer says no.
You mentioned AI, Renaud, okay? And inevitably, I did promise you I wanted to bring it up. So let's maybe talk about this for a minute, okay? How ready are your customers for AI capability? And I'm asking you this in relation to data. How easy is it going to be for your customers to benefit from AI capability and large language models? Are you talking to your customers about this stuff at the moment? What kind of AI conversations are you having?
Right? Yeah, it's in every conversation. And we lived in the times of artificial stupidity. Yeah. Most of the interaction we had with computers was, oh, computer says no, but for no reason, or you don't know why the computer says no.
Yeah.
Try to buy a train ticket. It's very difficult. Even I do it very often. I still struggle with getting the right train ticket with the right price. So
Sure.
it shows that we're not there yet. And what makes the big difference is the data underlying artificial intelligence. So this is the big topic. And you said how ready our customers. This is a drive to the cloud because they realize that currently their data set is not well managed, not well governed, is inconsistent because they use multiple systems which don't talk to each other. There is no standardization of the data, no harmonization of the data. So a customer could be reflected in multiple systems with multiple names, multiple numbers. A customer could be a supplier, but you will know. So it would be two different entities, although it's only one. So you're right that this is the main issue right now is creating this foundation. And this is why we're advocating for using integrated systems like ours,
Yeah.
because you have all the data in the same place. And when you re-engineer your business processes and the underlying data sets, then you have a clean base to enable artificial intelligence.
Yeah, sure. What products, SAP products, are have an AI element at the moment, and what products are you potentially going to develop to, you know, basically improve the AI capability within your customers or within the organization? You know what I mean? So,
Yes.
yeah, what sort of from a product standpoint, what are you actually doing right now?
Two things. First of all, we keep on doing what we've done best for 50 years, which is bringing intelligence in business processes.
Mm,
And so this is nothing new for SAP. We've been doing it for, again, 5 decades, making business processes more intelligent through clever automation. And as you said, most of the logistic chain in the world, supply chain in the world is managed through an SAP system for a reason, is because it offers the flexibility, the adaptability to move goods around in record times, readjust manufacturing and sourcing. So this is anyway something that we do, and it's embedded in everything that end users are touching. And this is how we drive adoption of artificial intelligence, is by improving every functionality of the software by adding AI capabilities to it.
yeah,
So
sure.
that customers don't have to say, oh, I need to buy a new module of AI. No, you don't have to buy a new module of AI. You just upgrade to the latest version of the software that will
Mm,
embed AI in everything you touch.
yeah,
So
sure.
I'll give you an example. I work in finance, so account reconciliations. This is something that will benefit greatly from artificial intelligence, being able to match invoices and payments. It won't be an additional product that companies will have to license. It's just simply something that a collector will enjoy more and more as we improve the capabilities of AI. And
Yeah.
every day it will be easier for the collector to reconcile invoices and payments and freeing up time to engage with customers who are raising a dispute case, for example.
Yeah, sure.
Now, on top of that, I agree with you. We need to add something more, which is more the intuitive part of AI. We are all using ChatGPT. Maybe the question you're asking me came straight from ChatGPT. Who knows? Um,
Well, I'm real, I can assure you of that. But yeah, I use ChatGPT all the time for research purposes, so it could well have. Yeah, you're right. But yeah, go for
we
it.
all do, and why wouldn't we? But jokes aside, you want to have the same capabilities when you interact with an SAP system. So ultimately, what I want as a CFO is to be able to say, hey, SAP, show me the performance of my division in Ireland with mid-market customers for the HR solution, and show me that in a diagram in black and white because I'm colorblind. This is what I expect. This is the future. This is how
Sure.
people should interact. It's not right now. People need to have access to reporting. They need to know which report to run. They need to understand what they are getting. And it's displayed in a way that doesn't talk to everyone. Some people can't do with numbers, but they are very visual. They can see graph and understand immediately. This is where I expect artificial intelligence to help. Or, hey, SAP, I'm the cash collector and I need to raise a dispute case for my customer, McDonald's, regarding their cloud invoice. And the right screen will show up and the employee will just have to enter the content or the details of the dispute. Or I'm an account executive. Hey, SAP, I need to provide an offer to customer XYZ for that solution using the terms and conditions that have already been negotiated last year.
Yeah.
So at SAP, we talk about augmented humanity. Again, remember, our vision is to improve people's life, not only to make the world run better, but also to improve people's lives.
Yeah.
And for us, artificial intelligence is a way to augment humanity, go beyond our physical and intellectual limits. Yeah, we only have
Sure.
8 to 10 hours per day to work.
Yeah.
We need to sleep, and we all have our intellectual limitations because of our education, our
Of course.
capabilities. With artificial intelligence, we can break these limits.